The police egbuola onye be anyị gbatawanị na Igbo clinic o na-egbuola ndị be anyị onye be anyị aka ya dị ọcha polisi egbuolie ndị na-anụ olu m gbara bịawa Igbo clinic gbatawanị ọ na-egbuola n'ofu nwanne anyị onye ụmụaka gbatawanị Igbo clinic egbuola ndị.
Now this is what happened in South Africa. South African police don't buy one of our Igbo brother on the basis that he does not have a valid document. Now, according to the guy that was narrating the story, they said that this guy was stopped on the way by the South African police. And they asked him for his documents. He provided the document, but the document was not valid. So on his attempt to run away from the police, they have to shoot him at sight. And that is the end. You can see from the video his spied body being showcased on the camera. This is what is happening. Watch the full video and see for yourself. Thank you.
Ndị be anyị bawa gbatawanị na Igbo clinic. Ndị polisi egbuola onye be anyị gbatawanị na Igbo clinic o na-egbuola ndị be anyị onye be anyị aka ya dị ọcha polisi egbuolie ndị na-anụ olu m gbara bịawa Igbo clinic gbatawanị ọ na-egbuola n'ofu nwanne anyị onye ụmụaka gbatawanị Igbo clinic egbuola ndị be anyị egbuola onye be anyị onye na-anụ olu bịawa bịawa Igbo clinic n'akụkụ polisi akpụola ndị be anyị gbatawanị ebe a gbatawanị Igbo clinic o ka anyị protest ọnụ ka anyị kwuo ndị polisi a n'aka ndị na-anụ olu mgbatawa ebe a Urani Biawani Igbo clinic. Onye bayi trafufu 10 years. No child. A graduate. No wife. Turn ala next week. The police are kubolia. Igbo clinic. Batawa neba.
Let the angels of God intervene in your case.
Just for paper, they killed you, nah? Just for paper.
That we are not going to accept this. And for future references, he has not committed any crime. He was not found with anything contrary according to the law. We have seen his body dead. He's even planning to go home to go and see his family. He has bought his ticket. This is so unacceptable. And so we as Nigerian community, we are making it open to South African government, to Nigerian government. This harassment and brutality has to stop immediately.
Yes.
Yes. And we are taking a stand. We are taking a stand to street violence, harassment, and the killing of our people. It will not happen in our name as Nigerian community. I am representing the CASA and the consulate. So I've witnessed this personally, and we will take it up with our officials. Thank you.
What do you also mean na police gburu for nothing? Emedi ihe ọzọ mere police gburu for nothing. Nwatakịrị na shop ya na-apụta this morning ka ọ gagoro ihe o ji arụ ọrụ. Police apụta ihe odo ya chewa ahịa ya before you know it ha agbawo ya egbe. O ji wụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ na. Enwedị any reason ha ga-asị na ihe ofesi onye akọmitere. Ihe just hatred. Ha nwere ebe ndị be anyị nọ. Ndị be anyị achọdụkwara ịgada onwe ha together. At least it's a time ha ga-apụta ndị be anyị ga-apụta eme toitoi n'obodo a. Ha eme toitoi n'obodo a. Nna the thing adịla too much. Onye this guy egburu here just for nothing, for no reason. Just this morning ka ha ji gbuo ya. Onye si na shop ya na-apụta onye gụrụ ọrụ tetụrụ na this morning gaa ọrụ ka ọ gagoro ihe o ji eme mbọ aka ka ọ na-eme ihe o ji arụ ọrụ bụ ozugbo ọ na-apụta n'ihu shop ihe ọdụkwala ọ gaala afa n'ihu shop ya. Ha gidi normal thing na-eme na town. Police bịa ga gbalaga onye ọgbalaga ọsọ ha gba ya egbe. Ọwụ onye oshi. Ndị oshi niile na-agagharị n'obodo adịghị egidele ha. Na amen.
Africa, Africa, Africa. The whole world is against us, and we are still against ourselves. Love is very far from us, to be honest. Love is very far. Look at the kind of news we are hearing from ourselves. Just look at a fellow African man that left his country to come and look for his survival in your country. This is how he ended. You can never hear anything like this in Europe. You can never hear that a German man that went to Italy was shot aside by the police officer. You can never hear that a UK man that traveled to US was spied by US police because of valid documents. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Why will we have to be this aggressive? Forgetting that no matter what, we still have the same color. We are sharing the same color. And this color means a lot. This is very, very bad. Your fellow African person. It is a pity.